Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. I hope you guys are doing good, you guys are safe at your homes, and I hope you guys have taken your vaccinations. If not, if you get a chance, please do get yourself vaccinated because it's so important now. So yeah, people who are watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Jyoti and I make videos on makeup, food, shopping hauls and makeup challenges and so much more. So if you like this type of content, please hit that subscribe button and wait for more fun. So today is a very exciting video guys. I'm here and I'm going to share my reviews on a newly launched product, and the product is it's the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C range. Yeah, so Lakme recently launched, I think in this month itself, they launched their Vitamin C range skincare products. So I got all three of them. So they have launched the day cream, the night cream, and as well as the facial serum. So I was super excited when it came online and I rushed to buy them, and here I am and I'm going to share my reviews with you guys. So in the market there are a lot of brands which are coming up with this vitamin C range. So there is Mama Earth, there is Wow Skin Science, but I was very excited when Lakme 9 to 5 they came up with this vitamin C skincare range because I love Lakme 9 to 5 products. They have an amazing skincare range as well as the makeup products are also very good. So I was super happy and I just bought them, and frankly speaking I got it at a very good deal on their website, which I'm going to talk to you in some time, so please stay tuned for that. Also stay tuned till the very end of the video because I'm going to show you demo of each and every product. So let's first start with the packaging. I love the color of the packaging. It's vitamin C, so it's orange in color, and I really like how the packaging looks like. So if you see, the night cream and the day cream packaging looks so similar. So when I'm actually applying them, I'm actually reading and then I'm applying. So yeah, the packaging is very similar guys. You can see all the details mentioned over here. Here you can see all the ingredients and all the stuff, so all necessary information are written on the packaging. So that's it. The serum packaging is similar, but it's a little bit smaller because the size is smaller. So yeah, inside the creams look so similar guys. If you can see, they look so similar. Again, same things are written on the inner packaging also. It's a normal tube kind of a packaging, very basic but very travel friendly and very handy. The serum packaging comes in a colored glass bottle, which totally makes sense because vitamin C is very sensitive to sunlight, so that is why the glass bottle, and it has a dropper kind of application which makes it so easy to apply and to use. Now let's talk about the price. The day cream is priced at 349 for 50 grams of product. The night cream is retails for 399 for again 50 grams of product. The serum retails for 549 for 30 ml of product, which is expensive because serums are usually very expensive, but I got all of these products at a very good deal. Now Lakme actually launched all these three products at 999 on their website, and if you are a new user, they are giving you an additional 20% off using a code REG20. I'm also going to mention it right here. I got all of these three products for around 749, which is crazy. I think I got a very good deal, so I'm super happy about that. So I'm going to show you each product right now, so let's start with that. So first let's start with the day cream. So okay, so this is how the day cream looks like. So it's a nice pink colored, a baby pink colored product, and the consistency is little thinner and it blends very beautifully guys, if you can see, and it has a very nice and mild fragrance to it, which I really like. Now if you can see, it got blended beautifully and it leaves a little bit of sheen, which I really like. So your face literally glows when you apply it, and the staying power of this is not much. I think I have a combination skin, so when I apply it in the morning and in the afternoon time I start sweating, and you know, my skin gets a little oily. So yeah, so the staying power is not that much for me. I'm not sure for others, it might be, but if you guys can see, it is very moisturizing, guys. So that's the day cream. Now the night cream, if you guys can see, it has a tinge of orange to it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it in the camera or not, but it has a hint of orange color to it. The consistency of the night cream is a bit thicker than the day cream, but the blending takes time, as in you take good 2 to 3 minutes of blending this particular cream. So yeah, and when it gets blended, it gives a mattifying effect. So if you can see, I've blended the product really nicely into the skin, and that's the day cream and that's the night cream. And again, the night cream also has a bit of beautiful fragrance to it, which I really like again, and it feels so soft, and moisturization is to 100%, which I really like. Now let's see the serum. So nice dropper kind of an applicator, and this is how the serum looks like. The serum is in a semi-transparent color, and it's in the liquid form like serums. So yeah, and now this fragrance of the serum is not very pleasant, nor it's very bad. It's in the mid. So yeah, so that's the serum. Let's quickly see the demo of all of these 3 products, and let's come back. Hi guys, I'm sorry about the voice. There is some construction going on in the opposite side, and I'm ready for the day. So I'm going to show you demo of the Lakme 925. It's the day cream. If you guys can see, it's shining. Yeah, I think you can see it now. Yeah, so I'm going to apply it. I have absolutely nothing on my face. I'm just going to take a little bit of product, just this much. If you can see, it's a nice beautiful baby pink in color, and again I'm going to dot it on my face all over. Yeah, and also don't forget the neck, and then just normally apply it. So this gets blended really easily, like within seconds, because it's the day cream. Yeah, so do you see, it leaves a beautiful shine on my face. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to give you a final full-fledged makeup just a little bit. See you soon. So that's the complete look, guys. I've applied a little bit of kajal on as liner, and I've applied my recently reviewed Just Herbs. It's their lip and cheek tint. So you can see there's a nice glow on my cheek as well as on my lips, and the whole face looks so good with the Lakme 925 Vitamin C Day Cream. So this is how it's looking, and apart from that I've applied nothing else. And if you guys wish to see the review of the lip and the cheek tint from Just Herbs, I'm going to link right here. So that's the demo of the day cream. Hi guys, so it's the night time and I have washed my face really nicely. You can even scrub your face. You can even do a face pack or a face mask. Anything is fine. So whatever nighttime routine you have, you can do that. And after you have done all of that, you need to apply the night cream. So I am applying the Lakme 925 Vitamin C. It's their night cream. So I'm going to take a little bit of cream, if you guys can see. Yeah, so only this much is enough, and I'm going to dot it all over my face. And do not forget your neck. Sorry, the front camera is on, so I have to look into it. I'm just going to massage it. I'm going to give a very good massage. This smells so good, guys. So massage helps in the blood circulation on the face really well. So make sure you massage and you push the product into the skin. So everybody has a different way of massaging. So this is the way I massage. So now if you guys can see, the cream, the night cream is totally absorbed. Let it rest just for 1 minute and then we'll apply the serum. So it's been 1 minute. We'll now apply the vitamin C serum from Lakme 9 to 5. I'm going to take few drops of product and I'm going to directly drop it on my face like this. Little bit here and here. That's it, guys. That's it. It's just 2 to 3 drops of products, not more than that. And you will slowly, very gently, you need to massage this. Don't forget your neck area. Enjoy this activity. I really enjoy doing it. Hey guys, so that's how my skin looks after application of the serum. And if you guys can see over here, there are a little bit of pimple marks here and there. And after using this serum and night cream, it became much more lighter. And I'm going to continue using this for next 30 days, as in I'll complete 1 month of usage, and I'm going to post my reviews again on Instagram if the results are very good, which I'm expecting it to be good. And yeah, so I think I really love this product, guys. So see you soon. So that was a quick demo for you guys. Now let's talk about my experience with these products. I'm using these products every day from last 12 days, and let's start with the day cream first. Now the day cream is decent. It provides a good moisturization to my face, and I really like the sheen it leaves after you apply it. So it's a very basic day cream, guys. I am not too happy about it, nor I am sad. So yeah, so that's the day cream. Now let's talk about the night cream. I think I'm in love with this night cream, guys. It makes my skin so smooth. I really like the 2-3 minutes of massage I give it to my skin every night, and I'm enjoying that activity every day. My skin feels very smooth in the morning. It feels plump and there is a healthy glow when I wake up in the morning, which I really like. I think I really enjoy applying this product on my face and on my neck. It's non-sticky, it gives a mattifying look to my face, and I love everything about this night cream. So yeah, I'm totally in love with it, guys. I really love it. Now let's talk about the serum. I think the serum is very good. The combination of the night cream and serum is actually benefiting me. So I have a little bit of pimple spots on my forehead and it's getting lighter, and actually see the difference. It's not like the pimple spots will go away overnight, but then I can actually see the difference. It's getting lighter day by day. The vitamin C in it is actually working, and it's been only 12 days I'm using it, but I'm looking forward to use it for next how many ever days until the product gets over. But I am definitely looking forward and I'm really liking the product. So my first impressions are definitely good. So overall, I love the complete range, the vitamin C range from Lakme 9 to 5. Of course, I love the night cream and the serum more than the day cream, but I'm okay with the day cream also. I have no complaints regards to it. But the night cream and serum, they are amazing. So I would definitely recommend you guys these products. It's a thumbs up from my side. And yeah, I think that is it for today, guys. I hope you love this video. I hope you love this video. And if you feel that this review is useful, please hit the like button. Please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys next Saturday. Till then, take care. Bye.